Hello, my friendly shoppers, and welcome back. This is Gina. I hope your day is going well so far because we're back shopping at Costco. We are in between the sales right now. We had a great one that ended on the 7th. We have a new one starting next Monday, the 15th. I haven't received my coupon book yet. Have you received yours? Let us know in the comments below. But I'm going to share with you what is currently on sale right now. And we're going to get started with a golf theme from Callaway. These are the golf umbrellas. You're getting 2 of them. You can use these to protect you from the sun, protect from the rain. $7 savings, $23. That's going to go on until the 14th. And to continue with our golf theme, we have from Pebble Beach, the golf bag. And the nice thing about it, it is lightweight, of course. It's what you add to it. We have the kickstand, and you could carry this on your back. So those backpack straps are going to make it easier and more comfortable to carry. You have this really nice handle, lots of pocket spaces. So here is that backpack carrier. But I love all the storage that it contains. We have it in black, navy blue, and in green. I love that we have 3 options. $20 savings, $120. That's going to go on until the 22nd. And then from DeWalt, the stainless steel, the quiet wet dry vacuum. 50% quieter. It's a $20 savings, so $74. That's going to go on until the 21st. And then the enhanced absorption, the liquid turmeric. This is 1,000 milligrams, so extra strength. There are 60 servings per bundle. And kind of share some of the nutrition facts right here. I have never tried this. Let me know if you have. $8 savings, $31. That's going to go until the 28th. And the liquid CQ10. This is a superior absorption. So water and fat soluble, 90 servings. So this has an orange pineapple flavor. And $8 savings, $29 also till the 28th. And then here is another one. This is a Mega CQ10, 100 milligrams, #1 cardiologist recommended. If anyone has taken any of these, as always love to hear your results, your feedback. $7 savings, $27 also till the 28th. And with the same brand, the extra strength magnesium, 420 milligrams. Now, there's different forms of magnesium, and I was trying to see which one it is. But I know magnesium, definitely a must-have. $5 savings, $15 until the 28th. And then from Aveeno, we have our Skin Relief Body Wash. This is great for sensitive skin. You're getting 3 containers. The nice thing about it, it is fragrance free. $3 savings, so $12 for 3 of them. It's a good price. That's going to go on until this Sunday. And then the Aveeno Daily Moisturizing Lotion, $4 savings, $14. That's going to go on to the 14th. And then from Lubriderm, now this is also fragrance free, and you're getting 2 regular size containers, and then of course the travel one, which is great, $3 savings, so $12. From Old Spice, our aluminum free deodorant, 4 of them for $13.50 till the 21st. That's a good price for those because I know these deodorants, they can get so expensive when they're sold separately. So this is a pack of 5 from Gillette, $13 till the 21st. From Flamingo, you're getting the handle plus 11 cartridges on sale for $20 till the 14th. And then from Gillette, you're getting the bonus handle plus 16 cartridges. This is a $10 savings, so $40 until the 14th. From Hawaiian Tropic, we have 2 containers SPF 30 on sale for $13. That's going to go out to the 14th. And then from Tommy Bahama, this is a waterproof dry bag. So this is great if you are going swimming out to the beach. You want to keep some items protected from the water, from moisture. Definitely look into this. You got 2 options on sale for $13. Now you have some time till July 5th. And the Tetris is on sale. This is another $20 savings, so $70. That's going to go on until the 14th. Now, I like these pool loungers. You're getting a set of 2. You can have them upright to sit up, or you can have them totally flat. $10 savings, so $36.50. That's going to go on until the 21st. So there's the examples right up there. And from Titan, this is the iceless, zipperless cooler. Now it does include one of their cool packs, and those cool packs are just great because they last for such a long time. But the nice thing about it, when it's not in use, it stores away flat. So it's not going to take up too much space. $29 till July 5th. That's another $10 savings. And if you are needing beach towels for kids, now the kids' beach towels are a little smaller, but I like that they have the examples out. Kind of keeps everything nice and neat and folded. So you have 4 options, $8. Now it's only going to go until the 12th, but I wanted to point those out for you. And then from Big Joe, if I had a pool, I would definitely have a couple of these, because these just look so comfortable and just nice and relaxing. They're $18 each. That's going to go until Sunday. Now we do have some grills on sale, but we're going to get started with the griddle from Blackstone. 36-inch cooking space, 4 heat zones. And you can see the box right here. You just have to put it a little bit together, not too much. You do need a propane tank, but $50 savings, $350. That's a really good price, but only till this Sunday, the 14th. Now, this is probably one of their best price grills here at Costco, and it's on sale. So normally this was $500. You do need a propane tank with it. It is selling down. And even as I'm filming this, somebody's loading up with $100 savings, $390. That's going to go on until the 14th. And then from Genesis, now we have 2 different sizes. So of course, this is the larger size. 4 heat zones. You also have the side burner, $150 savings, so $1,100. Now that's going to go until the 21st. Here's the smaller one with 3 heat zones, $110 savings, so $790. And if you're needing like a little family lounge pool, this is still on sale for $35 until the 21st. Now from Coastal Culture, this is that everyday tote. This is another waterproof tote. They've lowered the price. 4 options. So it used to be $25. They lowered it to $20, still with a $5 additional savings, $15 until the 21st. I paid regular price, but of course it was over 30 days, but it's still a great everyday tote. And the apples are on sale. The Cosmic Crisp apples. This is a 4-pound bag. They have so many. This is a huge display of apples. I like apples. They're easy to eat, great with peanut butter. $2 savings, $3.80. That's going to go on until the 14th. And then from Duracell, this lantern is so cool, and it is on sale right now. I purchased it back in April, and we've had multiple uses for it. Now, 50 days of runtime, but it really depends on how often you're using it. So there's 3 ways you could charge it up. So let me unbox it. Now this is earlier footage of when we first purchased it. And I'm just kind of showing it, like getting it out of the box. You can see the handle right here, and that handle is great. Now there's 3 ways to charge it up. And you can see right here, there's an in and out. So if you're wanting to charge it, you plug it there. And if you want to charge a device from it, you charge it, of course, at the bottom. Now the cord, you're going to find it inside the battery case. And it uses 4 D-size batteries. And then it's easy to open up. So I love that battery case. Now, 5,000 lumens, you definitely want to make sure to turn off the try-me mode. And that was really simple. Just hold it for 3 seconds. Now, this lantern came fully charged, and I have it on right here. I didn't want to have like the lights out. I didn't want too bright on the screen. But what I like about it, there's no guesswork. You know, you don't have to guess how much charge do you have. So you could kind of tell by the light. So it has a light indicator. And then to charge it up, again, you can use these. You can use the batteries, or you could also take it outside. So we have run it down. We like just charged everything up to kind of run it down, and we placed it outside. It took about 4 to 5 hours to fully charge in full sunlight. Of course, I have my assistant with me. Anytime I go outside, she follows me, and this is what she does. She just likes to roll around, but that is Pepper if you haven't seen her before. So again, if you've been thinking about the lantern, it is definitely a must-have, especially while it's on sale right now. And I'm going to share the price in just a moment. Now, from Max Sports, this chair is foldable, but you could have it stationary, or you could also have it where it kind of rocks a little bit, has a cup holder and a little pocket for your cell phone. So the lantern on sale for $19, and then the rocker chair on sale for $50. Both of those until the 21st. And the commands are on sale. We have our hooks, we have our hanging strips, and then of course 2 different sets of hooks on sale for $12 till the 21st. And if you are traveling and you need a new set of luggage, you're getting both of them. The carry-on, you're getting the big one right here. And these are really nice. The wheels are so smooth. So if you're in a hurry, you're just gonna move on really fast. $40 savings, $140. That's gonna go until the 14th. Now the Cuisinart, this is a digital air fryer oven. This is still on sale. It was supposed to end on the 7th. And so you can see inside it is metal. This is a really nice one because it's 10-in-1, extra large, $150 till the 14th. Is a $40 savings. And even the Ninja Deluxe Kitchen System. Now this one does have the star. $40 savings, so $140. That's going to go until the 19th. So I'm kind of wondering if they're going to change it up a little bit. The San Francisco Bay Coffee, they have extended this savings, so $32 until the 14th. Now the Pete's Espresso is now on sale. You're getting 80 aluminum capsules, and all of these flavors are delicious. And one of those boxes is about $10 at other stores. So getting 8 of them for $40 is a really good price. And then from Ello, we have our leak-proof, our glass containers. Now, honestly, you see the silicone at the bottom. I took all of those off, and it's just a lot easier. That's just for me. But $5 savings, $20. Now that's going to go until Friday the 12th. And then from Snapware, this is the plastic storage. The Ello, again, was glass. So you're getting 19 full sets. I'm going to share the price in just a moment. The Cuisinart, this prep and serve tub is still on sale. So the Cuisinart, $12, and the Snapware on sale for $15. Both of those till the 14th. And the bath towels. So you have 4 different options, 100% cotton, super soft. I love that they include a hanging loop. That's a huge plus. $8 until the 21st. Now this is exciting because I really do like this throw. And this is from the brand Avocado. Now there are 2 options, and this is organic cotton too. So it is a little bit on the pricier side, but it is machine washable, super soft. And this is great for summer. It's lightweight, $5 savings, $23. Now that's only going on until Thursday the 11th. And then the cotton gauze throw. Now, I think these are super adorable. You have the gauze on one side, super cozy on the other side. So we have the dog theme. We have our lemon theme as well. And this was really cute. And then we have our floral theme right here. So 3 different options. These would make a great gift. On sale for $12 until this Sunday the 14th. And those are also machine washable. And then if you're needing a new ceiling light, definitely look out for this one because this is really incredible. $15. That's going to go on until the 14th. Has a night light as well. And then from OXO Softworks, if you're needing a toilet brush set, you're getting 2 of them for $13. Now that's only going on until the 11th. And then from Glad, our press and seal, this is a 3-in-1. You're getting 3 boxes. Now this is a product that comes and goes here at Costco. It's not always here, but on sale for $10. That's going to go on until July 5th. And our briquettes, this was another one that was supposed to end on the 7th. They have extended it for another week until the 14th, so $18 still. Now, Dr. Pepper, we have 3 options. This is one that I cannot remember the last time I saw it on sale. So we have the Zero, we have the regular, we have the Diet Dr. Pepper. It's a box of 36 cans. $16.30. That's going to go until the 21st. And then our pomegranate juice is 100%, 64 ounces. And this is on sale really fast until this Sunday, the 14th, $6.70. Now, the crust offs, this is peanut butter and strawberry jam, 11 grams of protein. Now, you're going to find this in the freezer section. They are individually wrapped, so 18 of them on sale for $9 till the 14th. And then our man-made wash. We have sweet tobacco, spiced vanilla. Now this is a body wash and this is on sale. It's a $10 savings because it is a bit pricey. So on sale for $20. That's going to go on until the 21st. We have our Dive In serum, 3 containers. I like the travel size, $28. That's going to go until the 28th. Now, our Dove, this is our men's body wash, and it's sulfate free, so it's for body and face. You're getting 2 of them with the pump, $13.50 till the 14th. Now, I used to use this on my arms and this really helped, but you definitely want to be kind of mindful how you use it because it does contain the lactic acid, but it does work and it's on sale right now for $14 to the 21st. That has always been really expensive. And then from Aveeno, the healing ointment, I love this one, on sale for $14. That's going to go on until the 15th. Now, I did pick these up. I have not tried them out yet. The no glued needed self-adhesive lashes, especially for special occasions, $4 savings, so $16. That's going to go on to the 14th. And from Flamingo, we have our daily moisturizing lotion. You're getting 2 containers, 20 ounces in total, so $13 until the 11th. Couple more days. And the 3-in-1 deodorant. This is a huge savings because one of these is really expensive. It's about $7 in other stores. Here, you're getting 4 of them for $10. That's it till the 14th. And then the Pantene. Now we have 2 different sets of Pantene. Well, they're not sets because they are sold separately. The shampoo and conditioner. This is the sulfate free. Now this is the scented. And these do change from time to time. So both of these have the star, $3 savings. So they're both on sale for $10. That's going to go on until the 21st. Now the Olay, the Every Night Retinol, and the Regenerist, you're getting 2 jars. Now these, they have extended the savings until the 14th. So $10 savings, $35, that is a good price for those. And remember, if you want to know the latest here at Costco, the new items coming in, all these great deals happening, definitely hit that subscribe button so you don't miss out. I love sharing these deals with you. Now, from Orgain, the protein and superfoods, we have vanilla. We also have the chocolate. These do go on sale pretty often, but they're a good size, 2.71 pounds. And Costco does have the best deals when it comes to these products. So right now it's an $8 savings. And this is just going to go on until Sunday the 14th, but they're each $26. The firming gel mask, these are on sale. I've seen them at different Costco's. So this is a pack of 10, $9 savings, so $31. That's going to go on until the 14th. And then we also have our serum. This is a pack of 2, $31. That's going to go on to the 14th. When it comes to the skincare, they do go on sale quite often, but some of the skincare is only here for a limited time. So we have our soothing cream set, $20 after $5 savings. That's going to go on till the 14th. And then our pure cleansing oil. This is a returning item. You're getting 2 containers, and this is on sale for $20 after $6 savings. That's going to go on until the 21st. So everyone, we're going to head on out. Thank you again for coming along to Costco with me today. Thank you so much for your time and for watching. Take care, and I will talk to you later.